is Ajanta Sinha Roy, the director of Vidya.com on board. We will now be asking her regarding the unique virtual session that has been taking place, and we have not only grown pan-India but also internationally, and now we have a Google rating of 5 out of 5. Over to you, ma'am.
Thanks, Meghna. We have decided to start this series of topics which we are going to share in the YouTube for the coming days about all that Vidya.com does. So, we are starting with our unique virtual session. What is this virtual session? Actually, we take the students through video conferencing and give them a free counseling on whatever they want to study. First of all, according to their academics, according to their budget, according to their eligibility, we suggest the courses to them and the countries to them. Why virtually? Actually, nowadays, first of all, this virtual thing started from during the pandemic. Initially, when the pandemic broke, we were all working on the platform of this walk-ins. So now we have developed this hybrid module, means we have the walk-ins also in our head office, but pan India and internationally we are taking students virtually, and the students are also nowadays very busy. Some are working online for the whole day, they don't have the time to visit the office, and many times still that COVID hazard is there. So all these things, they are very happy actually to enter the session, and once they are very convinced, we also take the consent and their application, their processing, they are taking visa dates, taking mock interviews for them, for the final interview with the universities, with the embassy, then also helping them write their SOPs, how to get their LORs. Everything is done online, and this has really saved time. With time management has become much better, and students initially in 2019 we started with the webinars. You know, when the pandemic broke, we started with the webinars. We wanted to bring more students in each webinar, but somehow during those webinars I felt that the students are not very comfortable in the webinar. So because they cannot discuss their individual issues, they may be having a backlog, many students may be having a backlog or some family issues and all, which they cannot discuss in front of others. So then we started these breakout rooms where we used to take the students separately. Then in the breakout room also there was a huge rush of students waiting outside the breakout room and confusion. So then we started with this unique one-to-one session with the students. We give them a time slot. Initially we were doing all 6 days, but now we have reduced it into 3 days a week because of the huge rush of applications and processing. So the students, they get to know us, we get to know them, and it's working very well. And moreover, what Vidya.com has done, we have developed a unique student portal. Through this portal, once the student registered, we don't charge anything from the student. Once the student registers, we give them the login and password. After getting the login and password, the student can enter all his documents there, and therein starts the process. Then from there till getting the offer letter, paying the application fees, then visa documentation, everything is done through that portal. The student is totally safe. He also knows the regular update. The student can open their portal from their student login password, the counselor can open the portal, and also the admin heads can at regular intervals open the portal and check the progress of the students, and this has really worked out very well. So I would request all the students with any type of queries, you can enter our virtual session. It is not a paid session, it is an absolutely free session, and this is also an USP of Vidya.com. We don't charge anything for this counseling or even for applying. In many places for application fees, whatever is the application fees, you have to give it to the university, that's there. Many universities, if you go through us, there is a waiver of application fees, that's a separate issue, but otherwise we don't charge anything till your application and processing is done. So that is another USP of Vidya. Even the toughest of students, like there are problems like age issues with students who want to go to Canada, or age issues with students who want to go to US. We have all solved all these problems online only, and this virtual platform has, like many consultancies have online I have seen they have tried to develop, but it's not a foolproof. They only do up to the registration part. No, we don't finish there. Actually our work starts from the registration till the visa. Everything is done through this portal. So one is virtual session and one is our this online portal. So today I have spoken about the virtual session. Tomorrow I am going to tell you about our online portal and how you can apply through that portal and come to us. Thank you.